Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Batman as it is featured in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this Batman, and the mask area is always a little bit difficult, it's a little bit tricky. So let's take it one step at a time. So we're gonna draw in the brow area first. So from the center here, so it's almost like a mean brow. Just go up and then come back down. Alright, and then from there, from the sides, just come straight down. And then go back to the middle. This is gonna be his nose, so just come straight down. It's gonna be past this point. And then we'll connect those. So it should give you a nice little slant coming down toward the center. Alright, so this is going to be the eye socket area. So now for his eyes, just come down, come back to this point here. Just come across. Just draw two lines like this. It's kind of small. And then we'll just come down and just kind of round it out. It's almost like a rectangle, but you can make it a little bit curvy on the bottom. Okay, and then from there we can add in to finish up his nose. Just come back up here. Just draw two slants coming down. Okay, so that's the trickiest part. The rest is gonna be a little bit easier now. So for his mouth, I'm just gonna draw in one line across, and then his lower lip, and then right on the corner of his mouth, just add two little lines coming down. Okay, so now let's finish up the face. So we're gonna come back up here. Just come down to the mouth area, and then now we're gonna turn it. Finish up the jaw and chin, nice and wide. Then we'll close that off. Alright, so we're almost done with the head. Now we're gonna finish up the top of the head. So just come out slightly. You can draw in just one, almost a straight line. So this is gonna be part of his neck. And then now we're going to continue this. It's going to go pretty high up. Just a little angle on the top, and then whatever space you have here, just close it with a slight curve. That should be the head. Okay, and then to draw his shoulders and part of the cape, start here, just slant it out nice and wide. Come back to the center here. Make a little point, and then we'll just connect those. Okay, so that's gonna be the width of the shoulder. So we're gonna start right around here. You can make two little points, and then we're gonna slant this out. This is gonna be part of the just details on the costume, and this is gonna be his armpit. So slant it out, and then we're gonna pinch it back all the way in to his waist. And then we'll close that off. And let's just add in one section right here for the belt. So I'm going to extend it. Just draw a little rectangle. Alright, and we can actually finish up the belt first. For his belt buckle, I'm just going to draw two lines like this. And he's got a bunch of pouches, so I'm going to add two more lines. And then for these, I'm going to come across. Two lines and then go straight across. Alright, so now let's go back to the body. Let's draw in the bat logo later. So let's finish up his arm. So here's the armpit. So we're gonna start out here. This is gonna be his shoulder. Come down. And for his bicep, go back here. Just a little bracket. Okay, his arm. Flare out, turn this one right around here, and then this one's gonna be straight down, and then close it off. And then for his hand right here, I'm gonna draw a fist, little hook, back of the fist, turn it, and then close it. And let's just go ahead and add in a little detail right here for his glove. Okay, so let's draw in, well, there's some details on this as well, but yeah, let's just go ahead and rough in the other arm. So here's the armpit, here's the shoulder, coming down, same thing here, little bracket. We're gonna flare out the lower arm, turn, so stop right around here, straight down, and then close it off. And the same thing here, one little hook, back of the fist, just turn it and then close it. And then same thing here, just a little V shape. And now we can add in those spikes. So for the spike, we can start out here. Just draw one, and then just draw one more up here. And then whatever space you have in between here, just draw in another one. That way we can kind of space it out a little bit more evenly, I guess. So start on the bottom, one. Draw one on the top. Whatever space you have, just one more in the center. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the bad logo now, since this is a pretty cool logo. So right here in the center, just come across. Just two little spikes like that. This one we're gonna go up and then just slant it toward the armpit area. So go up and then slant it right here. Okay, this one kind of comes straight across. Now come back to the center here and draw one big V shape. And then whatever space you have here, let's draw another V shape. So I'm making it straight. You can make it curvy if you want, but it's a little bit easier if we draw straight. All right, so now let's move on to his legs. So right here from the center, draw a little line. Start out here. Come down, just turn it down, and then just kind of pinch it in. And then we'll close this off with a curve. And then for the knee pad, just do a little bracket like this, and then close it off a little bit sharper. Okay, so let's draw the other side. Come out, turn it in, down, and then pinch it in again. Close it with a curve. And then for the knee pads, just come back up here. This little bracket. Close it off with an angle. And then for his legs, we'll flare out. Turn, and this one is straight down. Almost running out of paper space here. So I'm gonna close it off, and then just a dome shape, come down and just come out a little bit more on this side. And then for the bottom of the foot here, I'm just gonna draw one line, and let's add in some detail here. Just add another line. Okay, so same thing here. Flare out. This one's gonna turn. This one's straight down. Close it off. And then a dome shape. Come down and just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and then one line. Alright, and then for the details on the boot, so right on the corners here, just go up, draw a little angle right there. Alright, so lastly for his cape, start right around here. We'll make it a little bit flowy. So right on his wrist area right here, just kind of curve out. And then right around here, same thing here on this side, just kind of come out. And then now whatever space you have in here, we're just gonna zigzag all the way through. So on this one, we can make it curvy. So we're gonna draw in just a bunch of little curves all the way through. So continue, and then close it off. And that is it for this Batman. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.